Hi James.
Hi Thomas, great to see you. How's it going?
Nice to meet you.
I was told that we're coming here to experience slaughtering a New Year pig. I don't know, I've tried that before in the countryside, but I hear there's something different about it here.
This is completely different here, and I show you why.
That sounds amazing, let's go. We've just arrived at a place called Tonnies. When we first pulled in, I thought this was the factory here, but actually the main factory itself is over there, and it looks absolutely massive. Let's go check it out. My friend Thomas is an advisor and consultant for Sichuan Tonnies. Tonnies is Germany's largest integrated meat processing company, and the joint venture they've built with Sichuan Deccan is the company's first factory outside Europe.
When it's no unloading process and no processing, we have classical music here. Yeah, because they calms down the pig.
Do they have a favourite composer like Beethoven or?
No.
Besides this, any music?
See the employees here in the stable, they have green clothes. The green clothes is for them not a signal color. Yeah, that's also why we have the lights in green, and this calms down the pigs again. See, this is the way from the stable. It goes automatically to the CO2 chamber. And the CO2 chamber, they fall into sleep. Right now, we are slaughtering with a capacity of around about 300 pigs an hour.
Wow.
We have the capacity of 600 pigs an hour.
Yeah, the speed is really amazing because, you know, my experience in the countryside, maybe just like one pig, it took like the whole morning. Yeah, but the speed, yeah, is really, really quite
It takes 40 minutes or 45 minutes, and the pig is in the cold store.
Wow.
This is the deboning hole. These pigs, which we are deboning today, they were slaughtered yesterday and chilled down during the night. The chilling is according to the European standards. That means we have a chilling between 4 and 0 degrees. Each pot side is falling on the table, and then will be automatically split in 3 parts. The leg, the middle section, and we have the 4 quarter.
So, you have seen the plant now? What do you think?
It was a bit different from what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be kind of very bloody and maybe a bit messy as well, because I've experienced this the traditional way before. But really, I was quite amazed how clean it is.
It's almost dinner time. We have to try our own products. Let's go.
Okay, James, we are here preparing right now the pork meat for our dinner.
Let's do it.
In China, slaughtering the New Year pig is not about the act of killing itself. It marks the end of a year of hard work and a moment for families to sit down together to prepare for the Spring Festival and enjoy being reunited. The involvement of modern technology hasn't changed this tradition. It has simply allowed it to continue in a new way.
It's been an amazing experience, and I feel like the whole process has come a long way from the old traditional style, and it was incredible to see how automated the process is.
Let's have a dish together.
Sure, yeah, and I've been through so many Chinese New Years. I mean, this is going to be a special experience again.
Okay.
Well, see you next time.